my great pleasure to contribute art and haiku poetry to this very worthwhile project. Amongst all the wonderful art that's in the book, I'm very pleased to have it there. So, the first one, it's traditionally it'd be called a haiga, which basically means word painting. So, traditionally in Japan, you would paint some sort of illustration to a haiku. So, I use photography. So, I'll read that. Ancient tree, the call of a raven, empty of light. And along with my watercolour on this side is three haiku. Seagulls swoop, parting the mist over black water. Ghost wave, a pair of sea eagles in the updraft. Summer storm, the fairy penguin rookery.